Hi friends, this is new way of password. Now you can get password on this website. First, all app users send me your email on my WhatsApp number. I will add on this website. Then you don't need application. All passwords show on this website. Okay, and iPhone user can get subscription of this website for lifetime. I know iPhone can't run Android application, so first login. I have account username, when you send me your application detail I will send you username and password of this website because you have already paid. Now you see all things are here. For example, I need this password. Just click here and password is here. So very simple. And other option, and this is my website 2.com, and you need this password. Okay, care skin. Just copy title, Control C and paste here. Search. You see same thing here. For example, you need other thing like this one, business branding. Copy title and click on search bar, paste here, click search, and same thing you see this one and this one. Here is data, you can download file, and here is password for extract RR file. So send me your application detail. I will put your detail in this website. You don't pay anymore, and new user can get subscription of this website for a lifetime. Take care. Allah Hafiz.